Hey fragrance buddies, I'm super excited to freshen up my space this summer by making a beautiful and fragrant Reed Diffuser. My recipe is really simple, so be sure to follow along if you want to make one of your own. Okay, so to get started, we're going to take the lid off of our container, and then we're going to put 2 teaspoons of sage into it. So now we're going to make our fragrance mixture. We have about half a cup of Dalinol DPMA. Then we're going to add 3 tablespoons of our citrus and sage fragrance to it. And now we're just going to give it a quick little stir. So now we're going to add our funnel to the container, and then we're going to pour our mixture in here so it's nice and clean and doesn't cause a mess. So now we're going to put the lid back on our container, screw that back on. All right, so I've got about 10 reeds here. We're going to go ahead and add them to our container. And these are called rattan reeds, so they're hollow on the inside, which allows for the fragrance to travel up and out into the atmosphere. And just like that, my citrus and sage Reed Diffuser is done. I'm super excited to place this around my house to effortlessly scent my space and add a pretty pop-up decor in any room that I want. I hope you try this out and make your very own Reed Diffusers. It's easy to customize them with your fragrance and additives of choice. Be sure to like and subscribe to support our channel, and we'll see you next time.